every Tuesday.
If I told you how much I love you today.
It's an all-new Lincoln Heights.
Our lives could change.
I see we close our eyes and jump.
ABC Family presents the love of a lifetime.
You're a little young to be committing like this. I'm not a child anymore.
On the show you just can't miss.
Marry me?
An all-new Lincoln Heights, every Tuesday at 8, 7 Central, only on ABC Family.
It's the yo-yo ball. It's so much fun and easy to do. Around it goes, it comes back to you. And you never have to wind it, you can do it all. Everybody, it's the yo-yo ball. From Big Time Toys. Each sold separately.
Sunday.
Are you ready?
It's the Mel Brooks Half-A-Day.
Are you crazy?
Brace yourself.
Moving for speed!
For 12 hours or so of cinematic achievements
Please, don't make a fuss.
that inspired a generation of
Morons.
Lend me your ear.
Mel Brooks Half-A-Day. Starts Sunday at 5 on IFC.
You motherfucker! You get the fuck back here! I'm gonna shoot your ass!
It's totally working! Yes! This is fantastic! Wow! My clothes and hair are great too! Alright, here I go.
He's no longer a behemoth.
Oh my god. It made me believe.
What are you waving at? What is that? Is that a security camera?
It wasn't that long to learn to morph. It was just our kanji, so I didn't earn its full potential. Different colors to make the world together.
Everybody get in the kitchen!